Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to unbox a new parcel which I have ordered a week ago from Quartz Components. If you have seen my last video, then you will be knowing that I have ordered a Bldc motor, that is 1400 kilovolt brushless motor that is used in drone making or any other plane making projects. So here I am unboxing the ESC of that Bldc motor. So if you want to see the previous video, you can go to the description or in the comment, or you can click on the cards means I button. And now I am showing you the price of the Bldc motors ESC. So here you can see the 385 is the price, and when you add tax 69.30, then it will give you the total amount. So here's the box, and in this you can see the first thing is the propellers, because I have also ordered the propellers for the motor. So the propeller are twice in number. So here you can see it is well packed with bubble wrap and a sellotape. So here you can see the propellers. So it is very big in size. If you have seen A4 size paper, then the length of the propeller is of that size only. So here is the propeller, which is quite good, and the plastic material is also very strong, and it is also lightweight. So here you can see this is a very good quality propeller which is used in drone making. You can also use this propeller in making a plane. So I am making a plane. If you want to see the plane making video also, then you have to subscribe my channel, because I will be uploading that also later in my channel. Let's keep this aside. Now you can also see here are some other things. So I have used one from here, that's why it is empty. You can use this for giving extra support to the propeller with the Bldc motors mounting part. So you can add this here like this of any size. It will depend on the propeller mounting which is available in the Bldc motor. So now I am putting this back in the cover, and I am keeping this aside, and now I will be going to unbox the ESC for the Bldc motor. If you want to know how you can use the ESC with the Bldc motor, then you have to be updated on my channel, as I will be uploading how to use the Bldc motor with the help of ESC and Arduino in the next videos. So be sure to subscribe my channel, also like the video, and if you have any query regarding this, you can comment down below and I will reply as soon as possible. So here you can see this is very neatly packed in the zipper bag. I am taking it out from the bag. You can see this is a zipper bag. You can also use this to store the ESC after you have used. So here you can see the 3 wires which will go to the Bldc motor, and these 2 wires will go to the connecting the battery with the ESC, and the other 3 wires are also used with any other microcontroller board, and it can also be used with a servo tester. Now I am again saying that if you want to see how to connect the ESC with the motor and use it with the Arduino, you have to subscribe my channel, as I will be uploading the tutorial for that in the next video. So here you can see this is a 30 ampere ESC. Here is a 25 volt capacitor, and this is the main thing which I have ordered from Quartz Components. The link of the website is in the description. You can use this website for ordering electronic components for your projects. Meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, and like the video, and also subscribe our channel.